How to wash clothes anywhere. Use the patented washboard-in-a-bag design of the Scrubba wash bag, lightweight and perfect for travel and camping. Simply add water, cleaning liquid and clothes to the relevant water level marker. Now this is important. Press out the air, turn the bag around and roll the opening tightly 6 times before clipping the ends. There are guides to help. Twist the valve open and press on the bag to remove residual air. This is easiest with the bag upright. Lay the bag on the grip surface and rub clothes against the inner washboard. 30 seconds to freshen your clothes, or 3 minutes for a machine-quality wash. Pre-treat stains before washing them, just like you would with your washing machine at home. Tip out the dirty water and add fresh water. Close without expelling air and shake to rinse. Tip out the water, wring out clothes, and move on to drying them. A good way is to par dry them in a Scrubba towel. Lay them on the towel, loosely roll it up, and press to transfer water from the clothes to the towel. Hang your clothes on the Scrubba pegless clothesline or on a Scrubba compact folding hanger. With the Scrubba wash bag, you can now travel light and clean your clothes anywhere.